In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links to navigation in Squarespace. Whether you're building a site for personal use or you're working on a project for a client, these steps will help you enhance the functionality and aesthetics of your website. Adding links to your navigation bar makes it easier for your visitors to find key resources, whether that's a contact page, a blog, or an external site. So let's dive right in and go through the process step by step. To start, you'll want to make your way over to the Page section of your Squarespace site. Head over to the Squarespace Home dashboard and look for the Pages option. Clicking on this will open up the configuration menu where you can manage the pages of your website. Once in the Pages section, you'll see an Add button, often located at the top of the section. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options for what you might add to your site. Since our focus today is on adding navigation links, you'll want to specifically select the Link option from this list. With that done, a new dialog box will open up, prompting you to enter a link name. This is essentially the text that will appear in your navigation bar, so choose something that is concise yet descriptive. It's often helpful to think about what would be most intuitive for your visitors. For instance, if you're linking to a website's blog section, simply naming it blog makes it easy for users to understand exactly where the link will take them. Now that you've determined a name, the next field you'll need to fill out is the URL. This is where you'll be directing your visitors once they click on the navigation link. Carefully type in the full URL of the page you want the link to direct to. Double-check for any typos, as incorrect URLs can lead to broken links which might frustrate your users or potentially drive them away. Once you've got both the link name and URL set, it's crucial to save your work. In the dialog box, locate the Save button, usually found towards the bottom. Clicking this ensures that your new link is added to your navigation bar and that all your inputs are stored correctly. Congratulations, you've just added a new link to your Squarespace website's navigation. This simple yet vital feature can significantly enhance the usability and functionality of your site. As you become more comfortable with this process, feel free to explore adding more links or making adjustments to better suit your website's needs and audience. Thanks for following along, and happy editing in Squarespace.